Are you feeling stuck in your daily routine? Do you yearn for something more meaningful to do with your time? While I can't provide direct life advice, I can help you find a balance between the stressful part of your life and comfort. Gifting and helping people is something we don't do every day, but it's a great way to balance and positively impact the world around us. Gifting or even volunteering allow us to step out of our comfort zone and do some different while gaining a personal benefit. Today we are diving deep into a topic close to our hearts, the incredible impact that giving can have on our lives, especially when things get tough. Stick around to discover how giving can help us with a balance during tough times. Life can throw some real curveballs at us, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and unbalanced. We get so caught up in our daily routine, work, family, social obligations that we forget the importance of helping others. But did you know that gifting not only benefits the people you are helping, but can also benefit you in many ways? Gifting or volunteering can help you gain new skills, boost self-confidence, reduce stress. So why not make volunteering or gifting a part of your life? Giving has a remarkable way of filling our hearts and restoring our inner equilibrium, even in the face of adversity. By giving our time and resources, we can create meaningful connection and leave a positive mark on our place we explore. Whether it's volunteering at a local school or helping out at a community event, or simply spending time with the residents. These experiences can be incredibly enriching. If you want to hear my experience, stay for a few more minutes. If you're looking to do something different, that is a path you should take. And there are many ways to get involved in the community. You give your time and volunteer for a local soup kitchen, or you're donating clothes to a shelter, you're participating in charity run. You can even make gifting activities a part of the daily routine by incorporating small acts of kindness into your day, like holding the doors open for someone, buying a coffee for someone you don't know but you believe he is needed, or just giving a small present or support while your friend is going through a difficult time. Maybe you will think that you are wasting your time and that you can do something else, something more productive or useful in your daily life. You're already missing a few hours in a day for your hobbies, for projects, or some things you wanted to do for a long time. So the good news is that some things can bring joy and balance to the everyday chaos. And you do not need practice constantly. You can do small gestures every day if you would like to, but you don't need to. It is all about you and your decision and when you feel ready. By meaning to be ready, I meant moments when you don't have energy, feel lost and confused, or you feel overwhelmed. That is a moment when you should make a decision, change the course of your life, and do something. Gifting has a special place in my life because it allows me to make people happy and help those in need. And it has become part of my identity and helped me balance my life. Contribution has allowed me to take a step back from my own problems and focus on the needs of others. It has taught me to appreciate what I have and to be grateful for the opportunity to make a difference in someone else's life. The other day I woke up hearing a bird song. In my garden, many birds sang in the morning, and that atmosphere triggered my imagination. My first thought was I was struggling with laziness and I had no will to do anything, whatever I do in the morning. I'm having a training, writing blog posts, I'm editing videos, I'm packing things for work. None of these I wanted to do. I don't know if that is a sign of depression, but I didn't want to think and focus on something bad. I decided to do something that would make me feel better and more energized. Firstly, I made a celery juice. If you want to know why I'm drinking celery juice and why the celery juice is good, check the link below. Celery juice balances my low blood pressure and gives me energy. Then I remember I was spending quite a bit of time in one of the cafes on the beach where I live. And the lady who is owning has always been nice to us, me and Sophie and my family, giving some extra marshmallows and bananas to my daughter. So I felt I would like to do something nice for her. She always tried to bring some new and interesting food for her customers, some vegan cakes, keto slices, and some new healthy version of snacks. And that is why I came up with the idea to contribute to that diverse selection of treats and give her some fast and healthy and tasty recipes. So finally I got an idea to make it more fun and invite her to my house to show her how I baked a Serbian pie that we can serve in her cafe. So the next day I woke up and all my dreams about mingling with the community and sharing positive energy went down the drain. The weather was bad, cold, windy and rainy. I was so sad and surprised at how it was possible to end up like this after so much positive energy. Still I had a hope. After all, we were keen to do it, and this is New Zealand. You know, the weather can change very fast. And that is what happened actually. The weather got better and the sun went out. It was still a bit cool, but beautiful. Sophie and I picked up pies, joined Irina in her cutest cafe and had a lot of fun interacting with people from the area. Sophie made some coffees and our journey was successful and made us so happy. Looks beautiful! I'm Sophie! Let's go! Oh. Are you ready?
Yes.
Bravo! It's not easy, huh? But we're doing together. Support came! He's going with your sweater. So please believe that you can change your life in a positive way. I'd love to hear your stories and insights on this topic, so please share them in the comment below and let's continue to inspire and support each other on our journey to find balance and making the world a better place. Thank you for joining me today on Me Elsewhere. Until our next adventure, remember that giving is not just a one-way street, and it's a pathway to balance, joy, and fulfillment. So stay kind, stay balanced, and keep exploring. I'm waiting for you. Sophie, look. Look at my stand. Oh my god.
Mama.
Which one?